Hi, this is Tyler with TC Brothers, and today we're talking bolt-on king and queen seats for Sportsters. If you've got a Harley Sportster and you're looking to add some old school style, we've got just what you need here at TC Brothers. These king and queen seats are constructed from high quality marine grade vinyl. They're hand stitched in either a diamond or a pleated pattern, and they have high quality powder coated steel seat pans for durability. They pair perfectly with our bolt-on sissy bars that are available in kickback, straight, chrome, or black powder coated finish. You can find more information about these and all the products that we sell by visiting our website, tcbros.com.